bouncing, bouncing, bouncing boy. Look at him. Can you see him? We're taking his picture, huh? Ooh, what did Daddy make you? Is that a milkshake? You're a lucky little girl. Dancey, dancey, dance. That's nice. Because she didn't eat her dessert, Daddy.
Oh, is that fun?
What is it? Is that ice cream? Is that ice cream? It's hard to get out, huh? You gotta suck hard, huh?
Should be pretty runny.
What do you think? Is it coming out? Is it coming out? No? Look at him.
He'll do this forever.
That's so funny. You got both arms going there. Oh.
So it's funny. Hannah loved the swing, and Vince wouldn't really sit in it. And Hannah liked this thing, but never.
She didn't go to town like this.
Never went to town like this. Yeah.
Look at him go. And he acts like he wants to get to you. You know? He like looks at you and.
Vince. Hey. Vince.
Hey, buddy. Vince. Oh, big Vince smiles. Hi. Hi, Vince. Can you jump up and down for us? Yeah.
Oh, that makes noise. I'll have to show Poppy this when I get home, huh?
And he's so serious.
You want to say hi to Poppy? Say hi, Poppy. I'll show it to him when I get home.
Blow kisses.
You blow kisses? Mwah.
Doesn't look like that smoothie's gonna leave her mouth.
Oh, did you tell Daddy that you fell down?
Did you get a bong? Were you running in the street?
She got a boo-boo, Daddy. Where'd you get the boo-boo at? Do you remember? Do you remember when Grandma had to kiss it? Where was it?
Hi, Vince.
She's not gonna put that down.
Yeah.
That's some good stuff there, huh? Where was your boo-boo, Hannah? Show me. Where was the
You got a
boo-boo?
boo-boo on your bum-bum?
No. Remember?
Is it on your knee?
Remember Grammy kissed it? Where was it?
Is it on
It's
your
right here.
knee?
Remember? It was on her hand. Mr. Vincent! Jumpa, 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 jump!
Smiles, Vince.
Jumpa, 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 jump! Jumpa, jumpa, jump! Maybe I didn't have him pegged right. With the screaming and the jumping. He might be a wild boy. Are you going to be a wild boy? Are you going to be a little wild boy? Are you? Yes! I can just see Daddy chasing you around in another 2 months.
Chasing both of them.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.